Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by confirming you have admin access. Without it, you cannot remove system drivers. Once done, disable Bluetooth on both host and peripheral so no connections interfere. Make sure any USB Bluetooth dongle is unplugged. Next, open the device's page in Settings or Control Panel. That's where removal starts. You'll see the target adapter listed. Do not reboot yet. Instead, keep the window open and move straight into device-level removal to fully clear drivers and profiles. You now remove the driver and related services to prevent failed reinstallation. Open Device Manager, right-click the Bluetooth adapter, choose Uninstall and check the box to delete driver software. Then open Services, stop the Bluetooth support service, wait a few seconds and restart it. This clears cache states. If a USB dongle was involved, uninstall with it unplugged. Once the system is clean, plug it back in so Windows attempts afresh. Clean driver install, rather than reusing corrupted files. You finish by rebooting. This ensures the system unloads any remaining modules and confirms the adapter is removed from devices. Once restarted, run the built-in Bluetooth troubleshooter and, if needed, install the latest driver from the vendor's site. Do not use a generic driver. If the adapter still appears or removal fails, use System Restore to roll back to a point before the failure. This often clears stubborn registry entries. For persistent issues, that restore tip is your quickest, least risky recovery method.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.